Ecom Squeezed. Hello, I'm Aaron and I'm back with another video on how to sign up for eBay Global Shipping Program on your eBay account. I'll explain the pros and the cons and also show you how to sign up for the service. So, eBay Global Shipping Program is basically where they will take care of the shipping. eBay would take care of your shipping, and they will also take care of listing your item in the international countries or international regions. It is good if you're a private seller. If you're selling all your items here, then it would be the best solution for you. eBay Global Shipping Program can be expensive for the buyers because they charge a premium and the customs has also been added. So the buyers may say it's a big amount for that service. Well, let's talk about the pros. The good thing about GSP is your listing will get a bigger audience. It will be displayed in the international communities and your listings are likely more to sell. The second thing is you just have to ship your item to your local GSP warehouse and they will take care of it from that point. So if you have the tracking to show that it's been delivered to the GSP warehouse locally, your responsibility ends there. From that point on, eBay is responsible to deliver that item. And if there is a case open on item not received or item is damaged, eBay will take care of that. You're safe and you will not get any defects. It does sound great, but make sure that you keep in mind the cons too. First would be you would lose your competitive edging pricing because eBay would be charging so much more that it puts off most of the buyers. And if you are already a business seller and if you have a large inventory, it's always good to ask your shipping provider to offer a better price for international items. And you can always easily get a better price than the eBay shipping program from your shipping provider. And you can just dispatch it directly from your warehouse. Or you can use a third party. And you can use a third party if you want to list your item internationally, like eBay Germany or eBay Australia, etc. It can be done easily. And it's really easy. And you can save a lot of money by doing it yourself. And, well, it works out better if you're a business seller and if you have a large inventory. Well, keep in mind, in both cases, if there are returns for an international item, they can be really expensive. So, and also keep in mind when you provide GSP people would open the item, check it, repack it, and then send it to the buyer. Okay, so you need to make sure that the item is properly done, it's working, and it's all fine before you send it to GSP. All right, and now I think you've got an idea about the pros and cons. Let me show you how to enable that to your listing. Okay, so once you log on to your eBay account, you have to go to account settings, then site preferences. You have to check on the site preferences, you have to scroll down and check for postage and packing preferences. Well, that's been moved to postage preferences now. Once you click it, you can see an option which says Global Shipping Program. At the moment, it's been enrolled. You just need to click Edit and you need to opt in for it in there. So there are a few settings to choose. Like if you want to choose the Global Shipping Program when you list a new item, and it will be automatically offered into the international community. You can customize these too. So what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to take on both and click Submit. And then it's been enrolled. Remember, the most important thing is that you do not want to conflict with GSP. So don't offer international. That means you should not offer two services because there would be a huge difference in price. So if you're using your own third-party couriers for international, then opt out of GSP. If you're not, then you can choose GSP. Do not use both together. And you need to ensure that you keep only one service at a time. And that's it. That's how we enroll to it. And I hope you liked the video. And if you have any questions, just leave us a comment and we will reply as soon as possible. Thank you. And also, if you sell on eBay or Amazon and have a few questions, you can book a free 30-minute consultation from the link below. And thanks for watching and stay safe.